morning, St. Mary's. I'm Aiden.
And I'm Kaya.
We hope everyone had a great Halloween yesterday.
And here's the Shea Cafe menu for today. We have the Passage to India free-range chili chicken with lemon rice, the Earthly Selections organic chili tofu with mushrooms and lemon rice, the Farmer's Market Earthbound organic Caesar salad, and the Sandwich Special free-range turkey BLT.
And it has been a spirited and happy 2 weeks here at St. Mary's with our Spirit Week and Hollow Week dress days and activities. And now the news you've all been waiting for. Drumroll, please. The Spirit points have been tallied, and the winners of the Spirit and Hollow Week dress days are the freshmen. Congratulations, freshmen. The prize for your Spirit is Relaxed Dress Week, the last week of the fall term.
Yay.
We'll have more details in the coming week. The Spirit Week activities and rally game Spirit points have been tallied, and the winning class is the sophomores. Congratulations, sophomores. The prize for your Spirit is a frozen treat party of Otter Pops and ice cream. Once again, thank you for your participation, Spirit, and showing your Panther pride. More activities and fun to come.
And the winners are in for guessing the candy in the pumpkin. Although no one guessed the exact number of candies in the jar, we are happy to announce that 4 students came close. Tied for second place and winning gift cards is freshman Olivia Dinkus and myself. And first place with a guess of 466 is junior Cora Carver, and she will win the $25 Amazon gift card. And there was 471 candies in the jar this year. So students, please come to the main office to claim your prizes. Thank you to all who participated. Until next year, and happy Halloween.
And now here's our very own Sophia for the ministry team about All Saints Day.
Hi Panthers, today is All Saints Day. Earlier this morning we celebrated All Saints Day Mass in the student chapel. For Catholics, All Saints Day is a holy day of obligation. We are thankful to Father Luke and the Franciscans for supporting St. Mary's and celebrating liturgies. It is always great to start the day with prayer, community, and of course, Jesus. This All Saints Day we remember all of the saints who have transcended to heaven. The Church has canonized thousands of saints, such as St. John Baptist de la Salle, Mother Teresa, Josephine Bakhita, Padre Pio, and Maria Goretti. But there are also countless other saints that we don't know about, or are simply overlooked. The definition of a saint is anyone who has made it to heaven. Oftentimes we don't realize that saints have walked among us. Saints are ordinary people who have done extraordinary things. Their efforts rewarded them with the ultimate gift of eternal life and being remembered by so many. They followed God's will to serve and love. In your classroom prayers today, you will have time to reflect on the individuals in your life who you believe are saints with the work, service, and devotion they do for others. Loving and caring for one another is a calling that God has for each of us, regardless of who we are or where we come from. God bless you all. We will see you tomorrow for All Souls Day. And now back to Aiden and Kaya.
Don't miss Theater Arts Showcase featuring performances from Miss Davies students in the Introduction to Theater and Intermediate Theater Arts classes this Thursday, November 4th at 7 p.m. in the auditorium. Admission is free.
And today begins November, the month of giving thanks and gratitude for the blessings of our lives. The word gratitude comes from the Latin gratia, meaning grace. According to psychotherapist and author Amy Moria, regularly practicing gratitude opens the door to more relationships, improves physical health such as sleep, reduces toxic emotions such as resentment and envy, enhances empathy for others, improves self-esteem, and helps overcome past traumas. The holidays can be both joyful and, for some, stressful as well. To stay centered and maintain your holistic health, try keeping a gratitude journal, exercising, eating well, and expressing your appreciation to others during the holidays and beyond.
As Sophia mentioned earlier, tomorrow is All Souls Day. Here is Mallory from Inclusive Community celebrating cultures and traditions with more about Dia de los Muertos.
Hey guys! Today, at the beginning of both lunch periods, come up to the Shea Center to observe the altar that we have set up and to enjoy some pan dulce. Now back to announcements.
Thank you, Mallory. And today, the Panther production crew and the directors of communications officially launched the world premiere of our new series, Faculty Feud. We have groups of teachers generally based on department or work area competing to see what group knows the most. So sit back and enjoy the first episode of St. Mary's Faculty Feud.
Welcome! I am Steve Harvey, and welcome to Faculty Feud. There are 2 teams with 3 contestants on each side. Give it up for the religion. give it up for the science and health. Y'all ready to play? Yeah! What is your name?
Mr. Voltaire.
Please stand right here. What is your name?
Miss McCormick.
All right, let's stand here as we get ready for our first question. Tell me a type of pie.
Apple.
All right, that is the highest answer. So you get to take it back because you got the highest one.
We're gonna take it, Steve.
All right, what is your name?
Miss Harkness.
All right, tell me a type of pie.
Cherry.
Good answer.
Good
Mr. Turner.
All right, tell me a type of pie.
Blueberry.
That's wrong. Oh, no. Back to you. Tell me a type of pie.
Tell you a type of pie. You know, this reminds me a long time ago. Pumpkin.
That is number 2. All right, back to you, Ms. Harkness. Tell me a type of pie.
Oh boy.
Really? 5 seconds. 5, 4.
Pecan.
That is number 2. Hands behind your back. Let's get ready for the next question. Name something embarrassing that might happen during a church service.
You yawn.
That is number 2. Number 2. But that is not number 1. So if you get number 1, you could take it back to your team.
Farting.
That was number 1. Name something embarrassing that might happen during a church service.
Gonna stick in the gas theme here. Burping.
That is number 3. Good answer. Name something embarrassing that might happen during a church service.
Phone ring.
And that is number 4. All right. We have a lead with 83 points, beating science and health by 1. Let's see who could take a win today. We have the last contestant on your side. Name a famous mountain.
Everest.
That is number 1. Name a famous mountain.
Kilimanjaro.
That is number 3. A famous mountain.
Mount Helena.
That is not top 4. All right. That was 1. Name a famous mountain.
Denali/McKinley.
That is not up there. Name a famous mountain.
Sinai.
Not up there. All right. If you get this point, you guys win. And if you don't, they keep their points. But you have the chance to take all of their points. Am I clear?
You're clear, Steve.
All right. Name.
Mount Fuji.
That is not top
What? Give us our points!
It was Rushmore for second. Nobody said Rushmore.
Rushmore, hello. That is boring.
And 4 is Mount Rainier.
In New York, I'm in New York.
All right,
I
coming
didn't
up
have my
more time for our losers. One more time for our winners. And last, give it up for your host, Steve Harvey. Out.
Next round, Steve.
We hope you enjoyed our faculty feud for today. Thanks again for the entire Panther production crew, especially Riley Wong for taking the lead on editing. Our next episode is this coming Friday, so stay tuned.
And in club news, there's still time to join dance club and majorettes. If you're interested in performing and learning a new dance style, please come to our next meeting, Dance Club, tomorrow at A Block and majorettes this Thursday during independent study time. We're working on holiday dances to perform in December, so please join us. And now here's Sophia with our Panther Athletics.
Today is the official start day of winter sports. Basketball and soccer players should check with their coaches regarding practice and tryout times. This is what we have listed by the athletic department. During A Block, can you scroll up, please? During A Block and after school, both girls and boys soccer are up at Brady Park from 2:45 to 4:15. Later on this afternoon, girls basketball is in the gym from 4 to 6 p.m. and the boys are from 6 to 8 p.m. And going on right now at the Diablo Creek Golf Course in Concord is the North Coast Section Girls Golf Championship. Representing St. Mary's is sophomore Elizabeth Lennon. And now back to Aiden and Kaya with today's birthdays.
And a very happy birthday today to Ogaga Usibe.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Panther. Happy birthday to you.
And now it's time to spin the wheel of fun. You want to do it? Oh, Nayeli wants to do it.
You better hit McMahon, and you're not getting McManus.
Oh.
Mr. Sutphin.
So we're doing 3 classes. So we're going to do Mr. Nguyen, Sutphin, and I guess Ruby. So no, we're on this one though. So yeah, Sutphin, Mr. Nguyen, and Mr. Ruby.
It's McManus.
No.
I don't think that's true.
We're good. That's it.
Have a great day, St. Mary's.
Bye.